I have been using some of Arylic's products since 2019, with many projects completed, from the ported and passive radiator subwoofer builds, the 2.1 channel wireless amplifier build, the slatted wood grill 2.1 wireless speaker build, the SoundBlab version 2.0, and the wireless multi-room speaker build. I have build plans to all of these projects on my website, so check out the links in the description, but keep watching to the end where I will reveal some special Arylic Black Friday deals coming up for 2022 and also some of my own. The Arylic DIY boards are just so easy to incorporate into a design, and the product quality and ease of use is very good. They have also taken some strides in improving their product with various board version upgrades and also the user experience of the 2Stream app and linked streaming services such as Spotify, Amazon Music, Deezer, Tidal, Qobuz and more. In their latest iteration of the Up2Stream HD DAC with AirPlay 2, it will support Spotify Connect and Tidal Connect, where you can stream directly from Spotify or Tidal from the app without having to use the 2Stream app. This will provide you with the highest quality streaming that the native apps can deliver through the ESS 9038Q2M DAC chip at 192 kHz and 24-bit high-res audio. Apart from the fact that Arylic focuses a lot on multi-room streaming, the HD DAC board also has very good audio quality, and in my opinion will be more than enough for the average and even some more concerning listeners. It really can be the heart of your audio system for streaming content. I connected mine to my IOTA VX SA3 amplifier via the RCA output on the board and streaming through Tidal Connect. The process really is as pleasant as can be. Sure, not everyone will enjoy the Tidal or Spotify apps equally, but for those that use these apps and like them, it surely is a very good option. And for those that want to use their own DAC, just run a digital coaxial or optical cable from the Arylic HD DAC output to the same input of your own. The Arylic HD DAC also has an acrylic case available for purchase and an OLED screen. However, I have not yet tested the screen at the time of making this video, but the board fits perfectly into the acrylic case and is very easy to assemble. The board is also equipped with a USB-C connector to provide power. I used a relatively good quality USB charger and a USB-C cable for this purpose. As a DIYer, the range of Arylic boards has opened up endless possibilities for potential wireless and Bluetooth speaker builds, and I highly recommend them to anyone looking to build their own wireless, Bluetooth and multi-room audio and speaker projects. This Black Friday in 2022, Arylic have many specials available on their website stretching from 25 to 28 November. I will put links in the description to the website and the special deals, so go check it out now before it's too late. SoundBlab will also offer 25% Black Friday and Cyber Monday discounts on all build plans on my website from 25 to 28 November 2022. There's a link in the description, go check it out now. I want to thank you all for watching and for all your support during 2022. The new year will bring many more exciting and cool projects from SoundBlab. Please support me by subscribing, commenting and liking this video and making use of the affiliate links in the description. Also check out all the other cool projects on my channel. So until next time, adios.